Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your ING card to Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then, tap the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, choose debit or credit card and tap continue. Now, grab your ING card and hold it close to your iPhone. Make sure the chip is near your phone so it can automatically detect and add your card. If that doesn't work, don't worry, you can also enter your card details manually by selecting the option at the bottom of the screen and following the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Your ING card should now be successfully added to your Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.